back, ladies and gents. All right, so the plan was that I'm just going to, um, to keep going with basically any images and, just go through the process of actually coding up the landing page. But honestly, after looking at these images, I'm not feeling it. I mean, it's destroying the whole page. It doesn't really work. They look so AI generated. It's just not working. And so what I'm thinking is like go back to the basics. Let's pick out simpler illustrations and use those as our reference. And I was looking at this site, Julian.com. Great guy, by the way. Highly recommend you follow this guy. Sign up to his waiting list, to his email list. I mean, he's got some really solid content on here. But one thing I like is I really like the illustration style that he's using here in his site. And so what I want is I want to generate images that follow a similar illustration style. And so that's what I'm going to ask ChatGPT to do is like describe the style in detail, just the style, not the images themselves. And then, okay, that wasn't what I was expecting. Um, yeah, let's try that one again. Um, describe only the style and not the images themselves. I'll be using this as a prompt for Midjourney. Okay, all right. So let's go back, copy the image, and paste it in here. So the idea is I'm going to take the image and then I'm going to generate. Okay, it's still not doing it. Oops, forgot to provide the image. Okay. Oh, okay. All right, it actually did, and it looks like it picked up the last image. All right, just to make sure this is going through fine, I'll paste it. Okay, seems like a super short one. Yeah, we'll see if that works. So I'll provide the same prompt. So image of a person sitting at a desk writing in a notebook, and we'll add this description that we got from ChatGPT. Let's see what we come up with. Generate another image using a similar style, this time showing a person. What do we need? No, that's not exactly it. Um, Sitting in a backyard on a hammock, sipping some orange juice. See what we come up with. I mean, we're using Dali here, so I'm not using Midjourney, but let's see what we come up with. No, man, it's not even close. It's not even close. I mean, It looks hand-drawn, simple. How would I describe it? Yeah, what else? Person sitting in a hammock. And I imagine like we probably need to use some of the flags that we had earlier, which is where was it? Style, raw, and then white background, PNG, white background. Let's see. Let's see. Hope we get better results here. I guess you could use similar prompt for this. Mm. Yeah, I like this. Even this style, I think would be a nice fit. Kind of similar to what I'm after. This is good. It's not exactly what I was after, but it does seem simple. Super simple. Like, let's do a variant of 3, rather upscale 3, and then just fix the straw. I mean, I want the straw pointing inwards. Is that how you do it? I don't know. This looks really good. I actually like it. I mean, if you take this image as is, copy it, and then paste it um, here. Yeah, looks nice. And you could change the monochromatic, the purple for green, so that it's more on brand. Do we get anything that's relevant? Oh, this one. Yeah, U3. Or just get rid of it entirely and you could just use this one. So 4. Nice. That's good. So yeah, let's just take this and instead of purple, we're gonna make light green, green highlights. See what this came up with. No, guys, no, not even close. I mean, that's just off, guys. It's completely off. Uh-huh. Maybe we can give it another shot. So give it this image. All right. Okay, now it looks different. Now it's very different from that original style. But I'm still liking that first one. It is quite different. Like the second one is probably closest in terms of style, but that first one I like. I mean the pastelly thing going on, I kind of dig it. Let's see if we can vary it. Um, yeah, very subtle. Um, Man sitting in a hammock sipping juice, hand drawn, simple lines. All right, what happened here? Okay, okay. Not really sure what's going on in this one. I mean, it's like he has. That is weird, yo. And that's what you get when you generate images using AI. You just got all sorts of weird crap, man. This looks okay. What on earth happened to his right leg? It looks broken. This is the only one that doesn't look deformed. Right. I guess number four it is. There is a way to, yeah, let's just take that. I'm feeling it. I'm feeling it. It's definitely there. It's definitely there. All right, infinitely better than Google Translate. hmm I just got an idea. So imagine, uh, you can imagine man standing next to man standing next to a child, patting him on the head. Okay, yeah, it's kind of weird, but let's see if it can get something close to what I'm looking for. What do we got? Are you seeing what I'm seeing? Does this look anywhere near? I mean, you gotta be kidding me, right? What on earth is that? Oh, there's actually another trick that I saw. Um, where are we? All right, so let's do this one. Um, Copy image address. You can actually provide Midjourney with a link to an image. Yeah, that's not patting him on the head. No, it's not even similar to this image. Uh, okay, you can actually provide it a link to an image and then like this description. And that way it should actually copy, but not validate the link. Hmm, what does that mean? Not validate the link? Same thing. Let's put it at the end. Same thing. Unknown style raw for version 6. I think the URL is too big. That's probably what's going on. And so the easiest way to fix this would be, let's just save the image as something, reference image, and upload it to a different website. Let's say ImageBB. I think that's that's what people use, reference image. Oh, it's an SVG. Okay. Yeah, I mean, in that case, you could probably just take a screenshot and then just use on paste here. Oh, what happened to on paste? Expired certificate. Yeah, we just get the URL. Okay, that gives us our image. Very nice. Yeah, so go back here, paste the image, and then paste the prompt. Nice. Okay. Right. Looks like that went through. And at this point, I mean, I've just given up on Dolly here. That's just completely off the rails. All black background. Digital wireframe image? What? That's not what I said. I didn't say that. Wireframe style. Solid black background? Huh. Well, it's not what I said. It's not really describing the image style that is shown here. I probably do a better job. Yeah, maybe this one. So, yeah, the fourth one. I mean, it's not really what I'm after, but I guess it's kind of so very strong. Okay. I mean, let me try describing the image and see if we get any better results. Yeah, I mean, doesn't seem to be getting the green bit. Do you say monochromatic anywhere? Oh, yeah. Simple lines, monochromatic. Hmm. I guess that part you could easily address. The thing is, like this style looks completely different from this style over here, and they're all using the same prompt, which leads me to believe that there's probably something wrong with maybe the prompt is not accurate enough, or maybe I could just give it that image. See if it works better. Nope. No, 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 no. This isn't working. This is not working. All right, forget about it. Let's just forget about that. I mean, it's not working, you know? Yeah, I think I went through this. Be specific. Don't over describe. Okay. Allows you to add images. Yeah, I've tried that. I mean, that's what I did just now. Oh, okay. Shorten. Interesting. I didn't know you could do that. Let's give it a shot. Okay, now we're back to the style that we're after. Okay. I mean, this is good. This is closer to what I'm after. Um, I would, yeah, maybe we could take this. But no, it has nothing to do with the description. It just shows like a. I really don't know what's going on here. I mean, like I said, what's essentially happening is my standards are dropping with the passage of time, and so just give it enough time, and I'll eventually find images that I like because my standards have just dropped so low. All right, shorten. Let's just pass in the prompt and kind of see what we get back. Okay. Yeah, one. Oh, nah, we don't want that same one again. This time I want a book. So basically the same book style, but what I'm going to do is, there's actually a way to make this even simpler, which is to use some remove background tools so that we only have the guy on the hammock and without these green blobs. Maybe we can even create our own green blobs, and that way it would be even more consistent. I'm not sure the colors we're using. This is way off, guys. What is going on with that? That is weird. What? So the guy is standing, and then there's. Okay, that's pretty weird. That is weird. That's the thing with these AI generated images. I mean, look at that. Like, weird. Oh man, that's creepy. Look at that. Okay, you know what? Yeah, this short thing was a dead end. What I'll do is I'll go back to the original. We just need one more image. Um, so I'm just gonna run with this and just describe that last image that we're after. I'll try without providing the reference image first, and then we'll add that back in if we need it. Book on a flat table and draw in simple lines, monochromatic. See green highlights, flat 3D perspective, blah blah blah. Um, Top view. Okay. I think that should do it. That should do it. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see what the results are like. I mean, so far we've got a pretty good landing page. I definitely think this is an upgrade over that initial one. We just need to get that last image so that they're consistent and we're using sort of similar styles. Um, and then we'll get to coding it, like actually implementing the landing page. We have a functional website already up, so the coding bit's going to be, I think, pretty straightforward since it's only going to be like the styling bits. All right, let's see what we got. Nope, that's not what we're after. Let's try again this time, giving it the reference image we had here. And this mid journey thing is dope, but when it actually works, it just takes a lot of fiddling about, trying to get the right style, the right image. Maybe the prompt is okay, and you literally just need to run it like, five, six, seven times until you get something that you're happy with, or you just drop your standards, and then you're happy. The end result is that you're happy either way. Let's see what else they have in here. Dig into the journeys, dog. Yeah, I feel like I need to get better at prompting mid journey. Explore prompting. Ooh, all right. This is not pixel art could work. Pixel art could work. You seen it? I mean, maybe, right? Maybe. Maybe we could get pixel art. This one too. I think this is probably like the closest to what we saw earlier on the Jillian.com site. All right, see what we got. Oh man. I mean, okay, I'm just gonna ignore all of these and focus on that second one over there. Okay? We'll work with what we get. We'll work with what we get. So let's drop the teacup. I don't think we need the teacup. I didn't ask for a teacup. I don't know why there is a teacup in there. So let's just go ahead and remove the teacup. So select the area to be changed. Um, no teacup. Book page. I don't know. Is that how we do this? I don't know. I don't know, but let's give it a shot. Let's give it a shot and see. Is this how it's supposed to work? Do you just paste in the original prompt and then you just modify it? I don't know. I don't know. Let's see. Oh, well, I do see a teacup. Oh, maybe it's like one of those things where when you tell someone, don't think of an elephant, they automatically think of an elephant. So maybe you just need to say book page. That's what you need to do. So vary region, empty page. Like, yeah, empty page. 2 hours. Get specific. Ooh, now we're talking. Continuous line. This is it, yo. This is the style I'm after. This one right here, continuous line. Imagine prompt, continuous line, sketch of a cat. Okay. All right, this is okay. I mean, I don't know what's going on there, but a pen, I guess. It's like a two-sided pencil. I mean, between all these, we're probably looking at this one here at the bottom. Um, so upscale number three. Let's go with that. Yeah, upscale number three. But yeah, let's zoom out a little bit. I think when you zoom out, it just gives you more white space, and so that way, when you paste into Figma, it doesn't look like you crop the image. Let's see if that's what it actually does. Almost there, boys. Almost there. Hmm. I Yeah, I think that's what's going on here. Anyway, let me just copy this and paste it. See what that looks like. I mean, it looks okay. The style looks different from the styles we're using here. That's my problem. Like this looks more squiggly, you know? This looks more squiggly than the style that you're getting here. These are pretty straight. That looks more squiggly. Maybe you just need to do very, very strong. And then you give it the original prompt, which we had here. Where was it? Yeah, this one. Oh, we'll give it. Actually, let me get the reference. Where was the original one that we ended up taking? Uh, this one. So copy the image address, and I'm going to vary it, but this time, yeah. So this one we're going to vary strong. We're going to give it the original image as a reference, and that's it. I think that's enough, maybe? Or was I supposed to redescribe? Oh, okay. Yeah, you are supposed to redescribe it. That's okay. So, where was it? Book. Yeah. All right. Yeah, let's just fix that up. Fix that up. I mean, our standards dropping, sure, but there's still a standard, right? I mean, you gotta have some standard. Oh, by the way, I see two guys on the stream now. Well, if you have any questions, uh, feel free to drop into the chat. Feel free to drop into the chat. One thing, like a nice little, I'm not sure what's going on here. Did I mention a person anywhere? I didn't. But I think what's going on is like it's actually taking the reference image and it's merging it into this image somehow. That's what's going on. Weird. So weird. But I mean, I can definitely see that the style's been fixed. It looks much closer to the actual style that we wanted. Well, maybe much closer. There's a bit of a stretch. I say a little bit closer. I mean, this is nice. I would go with the first one, but just get rid of the guy. Just empty background. Getting there. We're getting there. Continuous line. Imagine prompt continuous line sketch of a cat. Let's try that. Imagine continuous line sketch of an open book. Top view. Purple. Was it purple? Green. Sea green. Highlight. Style. Well, maybe don't specify the style. Do you specify the style? I mean, just a style sketch of a cat. Maybe you have to specify that it's an illustration, right? I mean, it says empty background, and then, well, it did do the empty background. Like, I could actually take the, let's do upscale. I don't know what's going on here. Yeah, like you could take this image and then just exclude the part that you don't want. So literally just sort of take this bit here. And even then, we've got like that little bit at the top. Yeah, that'll do. Color is a bit off. I mean, it works. Color is slightly off. I think there is a way that we can adjust this from within Figma, so without having to fiddle around with uh, so temperature, maybe. Yeah, temperature. Maybe tint. Nope. The problem is, I think we need to do remove BG first. By the way, yeah, I was going to show you this remove BG anyway, right? Background remover. Yeah, this is the tool that I wanted to show you. Let's just export this. Okay, PNG. And here you just take the image that you want to remove the background for, and you get the result. You just paste it here. That was simple. That was super simple. And now you can do the tinting thing, so it won't screw up with the background. So temperature probably going to be, yep, something like that. And then your highlights. Shadows. I guess that makes it darker. Hmm. Yep, saturation. Yeah, maybe slightly less saturated. Uh, no, I don't know. It feels like it's still off. Yeah. Okay, I mean, it's all right. It's not fantastic, but it's okay. I think we can make do with this. I think we can make do with this. All right, I don't want to spend too long on this, so let's call it done for now. All right, so I'm gonna wrap up the stream here, and I'm gonna do a separate stream shortly. It's gonna begin in like the next 10 minutes or something, um, where we just code this up. So we update the code that we currently have. So let me show you real quick. I think we've already got it running. Yeah, we do. So just hit localhost. This is how it is right now. I'm gonna update this code um, to, oh, I just realized we don't have a page, or at least we don't have a design for the other part of this, which is like what happens when you drag a file. This switches out, right? So now when I drag an SRT file, it switches out and asks you to select a target language. And then once you do that, um, I guess you could select a different one. Oh, you could still select a different one if you want. Okay. So I think that's a nice feature. So we could drop this and then just make it um, choose your SRT file, and then it would maybe just show the file name, just like we have it here. So let me make it a little bit bigger. And then what do we do here? Select a target language. Yeah, yeah, let's do that. So and maybe this we could drop the saturation. Like I would probably just turn it gray. So the neutral gray that we're using, maybe do 400 or even less, like maybe 200. And then this would be like done. Select an SRT file. This part is going to be done. So we do check. It's going to be green, so I guess you could select one of the green ones. It's too much. Say 300. Just do 50. All right, and then just draw a check mark. Yeah, let's make that green 500. All right. All right. Gotta drop off. I've got a phone call now.